National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Henderson County in western Tennessee, central Decatur County in western Tennessee, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Parsons, or 10 miles west of Linden, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Natchez Trace State Park, Natchez Trace State Forest, Parsons, Decaturville, Darton, Perryville, Buffelltown, Wilkinstown, Mount Tabor, Garrett, Beacon, Hickory Forks, Bible Hill, Mount Lebanon, and Chesterfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.